G-Wagon right here, we did a full prime PPF and we did ceramic coating. This is one of the most difficult cars to work with. We're doing a bulk install on something like that. It looks absolutely amazing. Like, you're not gonna see any seams or anything like that. The car came out absolutely amazing. We're taking it back to a customer, so we do offer services like that. All of these cars are insured. My shop is insured, so if anything can happen, whatever, we can cover 5 of these G-Wagons. So there's no problems with that. Let's go drop this car off. Side. Yes. Our wheel company right now about to come up here and pick up the wheels. They're gonna be back tomorrow, and then probably in a couple of days we're going to have our headliner back as well, so we can start doing the starlights.
7 in, wash it so I can move it over with the M5 in. He can start doing that.
All right, so this is our 2026 BMW X6M. We did a whole bunch of work on it. We did a track package PPF, which is pretty much the full front with rocker panels. We installed this carbon fiber package on it all the way around, including the diffuser. Also, we did the downpipes, and we just installed full titanium exhaust. This thing sounds absolutely obnoxious. Super excited to deliver it back to my boy. This is actually like one of the probably craziest X6Ms right now at BMW of Dallas. So we just picked up my XM. Definitely love this car. I feel like this is the most premium SUV right now in the market. And we're not talking about no Cullinan or none of that stuff. But when you're looking at anything that's on the market right now, I feel like this is it. But right now we're gonna go and get a burger. And in Dallas Metroplex here, there's one place that is like pretty much hidden. You kind of don't even know about it, but it's probably one of the best and most craziest burgers in Dallas, Texas. So if you're in Dallas, Texas, you have to go check this place out. Did I say Maple Motorsport? Ah! It's Maple Motor. So yeah, no Motorsport. Motorsport, we are sitting in Motorsport. Yeah. The burger place was amazing. You know, I thought it was Maple Motorsports. I guess it's Maple Motor. So but from now on it's Maple Motorsports.
You know, if you never been to Texas and you're coming to Texas and you want to taste a real Texas burger, go check that place out. It's on the Maple Street. Now we are on our way back to the shop. We're gonna take the wheels off. We kinda already late because they're going to be there at 2 o'clock, and right now it's 1:30. We're 10 minutes away, so we should be fine. We're gonna lift it up right quick right now, get the wheels off, and send them out. So I'm kind of excited about that. I do want that two-tone original M6 look wheel, even though I think I'm going to put it on BBS LMs. But at the same time, I'm kind of torn what to do. Do I want to lower it and put it on 20s, or do I want to keep the OEM look? But I'm still gonna lower it though, because it's an SUV right now. So yeah, let's go get these wheels off.